Ever wondered why gut health is so important? Well, the answer is more multifaceted than you might think. It's not just about digestion, though that's certainly a key part. It's about a complex ecosystem that resides in our gut, known as the microbiome. This bustling metropolis of microbes, which includes bacteria, viruses, and fungi, plays a critical role in our overall health. When this ecosystem is in balance, it aids in digesting food, producing vitamins, and even supporting our immune system. But when it's out of whack, that's when problems can occur, and not just with digestion. Studies are increasingly linking imbalances in the gut microbiome to a range of health issues, from mood disorders to heart disease, and yes, even chronic pain. So the question is not whether gut health matters, but how can we improve it? The gut microbiome might sound complex, but think of it as a bustling city inside your belly. This city is populated by trillions of bacteria, each playing a unique role, like the citizens of a metropolis. There are builders who help construct and maintain our gut lining, cleaners who detoxify harmful substances, and even police who guard against invasive pathogens. In this city, diversity is key. A balanced, diverse microbiome ensures that each job is covered and the city functions smoothly. Now imagine what happens when this balance is disrupted. Just like a city in chaos, an imbalance in our gut microbiome can lead to serious health issues. Some bacteria, if overpopulated, can become like unruly citizens, causing inflammation and other problems, including chronic pain. So, just like a well-managed city needs a diverse, balanced population to thrive, so too does our gut. And remember, a healthy gut microbiome doesn't just influence our digestion, it's fundamental to our overall health. Just like a city, your gut needs a diverse, balanced population to function optimally. So, how do you build a healthy gut microbiome? Well, it's not as complex as it might sound. The first step is to maintain a varied diet. This means incorporating a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are packed with fiber, which acts as fuel for your gut bacteria, helping them to thrive. Next, let's talk about fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help populate your gut. Pair these with prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas that feed these good bacteria, and you've got a winning combination. Avoiding unnecessary antibiotics is another key step. While these drugs can be life-saving, they also wipe out both good and bad bacteria, disrupting the balance in your gut. Building a healthy gut microbiome is simpler than you might think. It's all about balance and variety. But how exactly does a healthy gut microbiome alleviate chronic pain, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of gut science to explain this. A healthy gut microbiome, teeming with diverse bacteria, plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation in our bodies. Inflammation, you see, is often the culprit behind chronic pain. When our gut is in poor health, this can lead to an overactive immune response, causing unnecessary inflammation and consequently, pain. For instance, a study conducted by the University of Gothenburg found that individuals with a more diverse gut microbiome reported lower levels of chronic pain. This direct correlation between gut health and pain levels underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. So it's not just about the food we eat, but also about the tiny organisms that live in our digestive system. A healthy gut microbiome can indeed be a powerful ally in managing and even reducing chronic pain. So there you have it.